A studio is an artist or worker's workroom. This can be for the purpose of acting, architecture, painting, pottery, sculpture, origami, woodworking, scrapbooking, photography, graphic design, filmmaking, animation, industrial design, radio or television production, broadcasting, or the making of music. The term is also used for the workroom of dancers, often specified to dance studio. The word studio is derived from the Italian, studio, from Latin, studium, from studere, meaning to study or zeal. The French term for studio, atelier, in addition to designating an artist's studio, is used to characterize the studio of a fashion designer. Atelier also has the connotation of being the home of an alchemist or wizard. Studio is also a metonym for the group of people who work within a particular studio.